Well guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the light bulbs here and how to also dismantle this whole area. So this one is a cover that comes here, it fits here. I'm going to fit it in and come back to show you. There you have it, it's back in place, everything's original. How do we remove it? We're going to use these tiny plastic keys, we're going to fit them here on the button part and pull it forward. So look, it fits in. You just need to apply a gentle force just to disengage the lock. You don't need to do anything super forceful. The finish is already on, great. But we don't have access to the lamps, do we? So what do we do to get access to the lamps? That's the most tedious process, you see. We have to disassemble the whole thing here. If you want to disassemble something else, you can also learn in this video. If you want to dismantle this cover, it's very simple. We just fit the key there and it removes the cover completely. So here are the sensors. They are responsible for the alarm. And now we're going to dismantle this entire piece so we can change the lamp. So we have two locks here at the top and two locks, one on each side here. We will fit the key here, pull it, and do the same on the other side here and pull the lock as for well. On this side, the lock has already come off, on this side as well. We were able to remove it completely. So this whole area up here, as you can see, has an issue. The lamps are, as you can see in this top area, we don't have access to the lamps in this area. So what is the problem we have at first glance from what I see? I believe there is no way to change it, okay? From what you see in the video. In theory, since this is the first time I disassemble the bulbs, they should be here, the three bulbs, but they're not here. So in theory, there's no way to change them. Here on the front, this plastic finish is here. I don't know if it comes out. I tried to remove it by applying a bit of force, but it doesn't come out. So I am reluctant to break it because it doesn't come out easily. It doesn't disassemble either. I couldn't see any locks on the inside of it. We could remove this finish, so I don't know if it's a whole LED board or not. I don't know how it disassembles. Now yes, you have to apply force for it to come out. Let me leave it off here. You have to apply force for it to come out, you see. Here it has the cannons, as you can see. Here's where we keep the LEDs, but they can't be replaced because they already come with the license plate. Specifically, the LED comes directly on the license plate, you see? So they can't be replaced. Cars that already come with LEDs can't have them changed, much like the cars without LEDs, which likely sport the same scheme. But the difference is that there ought to be a lamp socket with a bulb so that they can be changed. But the cars that already come with LEDs, like the Audi for example, have no way to be changed. So I'm going to rebuild it here and then I'm going to show you. Right after, we also assemble the windshield one, the reading light that is, as people call it. So it's fitted here. Let me just look at how it fits. So it doesn't fit wrongly. There's a small catch on top of each side. Press it, it's working. Everything is functioning correctly, all is well. This little acrylic part here, the same principle applies. Insert it here, press it, right, so it can be fitted back in. It's already in place, and so we can fit it back in, right? All in this area. From here, first we engage, right, this upper part that comes with these two tabs that you can see. We're going to plug them in first here, then the back latches, which are the metal latches. So we engage it up here, push it, secure it, it's already fitted back. And this cover, which isn't hard either, place it right here. Tightened it, fitted it back in. Everything was right, everything fitted, everything was nice. Now we're going to move here to the passenger side. So look, here we are on the passenger side. You'll notice that there's a side of it that already has a prominent feature. This little mark here, what is this little mark? This is the side where you're going to fit the key. So look, fit the key here, pull it down, it will release. At least that's how it's supposed to be. That's it. It fits on the side, pull it out, and it's released. Just reminding you that to open this here, we have to release it on the side. Okay, there's a little insert here on the side and the same kind of insert on the other side. So you're going to release these two little inserts and the lens will come out. This one can't be changed because it already comes with an LED. You can see inside that it has two LED drops, so it comes directly on the board, so you can't change it. But the ones that are halogen probably have a receptacle there, right, a socket, so you fit it in. Then you can do the also, and to mount it back on the side of the plug there, you first fit it inwards, then push it upwards. You'll hear a little noise, it'll lock, it'll fit in again, and everything works. Looks cute. So this was another tutorial video from Nober Motorsports channel, showing how to take apart all these lights here so you can see. They're all working, looking good, alright? Complete disassembly for those of you who want to change the light from a halogen to an LED.